The game has changed. In 2025, YouTube is being transformed by artificial intelligence. AI isn't the future, it's the present, and it's powering a new generation of creators. If you felt stuck or overwhelmed, this is your breakthrough. AI is your secret weapon to finally get the views and subscribers you deserve. Imagine a super smart assistant working for you 24/7, knowing what viewers want, designing thumbnails, writing titles, and even editing your videos. This isn't a dream, AI can do all this for your channel right now. The old way of guessing is over. Now it's about using smart tools to grow with purpose. Creators using AI are saving time, reducing stress, and seeing explosive growth. Worried you're not technical? These tools are simple and user-friendly. You don't need to be an expert, just willing to learn. From idea to upload, AI can help you make better decisions and create higher quality content in less time. It's not about replacing your creativity, but enhancing it. AI gives you the power to compete with the biggest channels. Get ready. Your YouTube journey is about to get a massive upgrade. The AI revolution is here and you're invited to lead the charge. Let's dive in. So what is AI? Think of it as a smart computer program that learns, understands, and makes decisions. The YouTube algorithm itself is AI, it decides which videos get seen. By using AI tools, you work with the algorithm, not against it. AI saves you time by automating the boring and difficult tasks. It analyzes millions of videos, finds what works, and gives you actionable suggestions. No more guessing, make decisions based on proven data. AI helps you create videos people are actually searching for, leading to more views and subscribers. It's like having a secret map to YouTube success. In the past, creators wandered in the dark. Now, AI lights the way. It shows shortcuts, points out roadblocks, and helps you reach your goals faster. The AI revolution is your personal guide to YouTube growth. Stop guessing, start growing with certainty. Let's get practical. Your title and thumbnail are everything for getting clicks. Creating great ones is tough, but AI tools make it easy. Describe your video, and AI generates multiple title options based on what works. It can even A/B test titles to boost your click-through rate. For thumbnails, AI can turn a simple prompt into several professional options in seconds. It removes backgrounds, adds eye-catching text, and suggests layouts proven to get clicks. Now, world-class design is accessible to every creator. Here's a real example. A small gaming channel used AI for titles and thumbnails, and their click-through rate tripled overnight. Within a month, their views skyrocketed. That's the power of optimizing your packaging with AI. Action step. Try an AI title optimizer and thumbnail generator for your next video. Many tools offer free trials. Compare the results to your usual work. You'll be amazed at the quality and ideas. This isn't about being lazy, it's about working smarter. Use AI to get better results from your hard work. The AI revolution is here. Put it to work for your channel. Editing is one of the most time-consuming parts of making a video. AI editing tools can now cut out pauses and mistakes automatically. Edit your video by simply deleting words from a transcript. Saving hours. Stuck for ideas? AI can analyze your niche and generate dozens of video ideas in minutes. It finds trending topics and audience questions so you never run out of content. With AI handling the tedious parts, you can focus on filming and engaging with your audience. Consistency is key, and AI powers that by removing workflow friction. Build momentum, upload more, and let your creativity shine. The AI revolution turns you into a content machine. The message is simple. The AI revolution is here to stay. Creators who embrace AI will have a massive advantage. They'll create better content, work efficiently, and understand their audience deeply. Don't be intimidated. Start small. Try an AI tool for titles or thumbnails and see the results. Every small improvement compounds into big growth. The future is a partnership between your creativity and AI. AI handles the technical tasks so your creativity can shine. The tools are ready, and the opportunity is huge. Start exploring and implementing AI into your YouTube strategy today. This is how you'll win in 2025 and build a channel that makes an impact. The AI revolution is here. Are you ready to join? Subscribe for more tips on using AI to grow your channel.